Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: updated BIOS, Windows in UEFI mode, and a keyboard that works at post. Reboot and press Delete or F2 to enter the Asus UEFI. Once inside, navigate quickly to the Boot tab. Make sure boot mode is set to UEFI versus Legacy, and if Compatibility Support module appears, disable CSM. Do this now because Secure Boot requires pure UEFI. Save nothing yet. You're preparing the environment for the actual Secure Boot settings next. Once done with UEFI-only mode, go to Advanced Right Arrow Boot Right Arrow Secure Boot configuration. Toggle Secure Boot to enabled and pick the OS type that matches your system, typically Windows UEFI mode. This ensures key compatibility. Next, load or install the standard platform keys if the option is available, labeled Install Default Keys or similar, so the firmware trusts signed bootloaders. Make sure you do not mix user keys unless you understand key enrollment. Incorrect keys will block boot. Save changes, but be ready to reboot and test immediately. Finalize by saving UEFI settings and restarting the machine. Observe whether your OS boots normally. Sometimes a second reboot is needed for Windows to settle with Secure Boot enabled. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Re-enter UEFI, disable Secure Boot or re-enable CSM, restore previous key settings, then boot and prepare to reconfigure carefully. As a verification step in Windows, run msinfo32 and confirm Secure Boot state equals on.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.